How to enable or disable automatic repair in Windows 10. When your Windows 10 PC hits a snag during startup, the automatic repair feature often jumps in as your first line of defense. But what happens when it doesn't work as expected? In this video, we'll show you how to take control by toggling automatic repair on or off. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Understanding automatic repair in Windows 10. Automatic repair is a built-in Windows 10 tool that automatically scans and fixes startup issues by repairing system files, the Windows registry, and boot configuration data. It uses recovery data from a dedicated partition and system restore points to identify and restore normal boot function. How to enable or disable automatic repair in Windows 10. There are many ways to enable or disable automatic repair in Windows 10. First, let's take a look at how to use the command prompt. Open the command prompt as an administrator. To disable, input. To enable, input. Then restart your computer. The next option is to use the registry editor. Start by opening the registry editor, navigate to, create a D word, 32-bit, value named Disable Automatic Recovery. To disable, set the value to 1. To enable, set it to 0. Then, restart your computer. The last option is to use the Group Policy Editor. Note that this is ideal for Windows Pro or Enterprise editions. Open the Group Policy Editor, navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Windows Recovery Environment, double-click on Automatically Repair System Boot Failure. Toggle between Disabled or Enabled as needed. Apply the changes, then restart your device. Best practices for Windows recovery and repair. Here are some of the best practices to remember. When to use automatic repair versus manual troubleshooting. Use automatic repair for quick fixes to boot issues, especially if you're short on time or unsure of the cause. Opt for manual troubleshooting if repairs fail repeatedly, or you're dealing with hardware-related issues or custom system configurations. Create a system backup before making changes. Before attempting any repairs, always back up your system by creating a system image, setting a system restore point, creating a recovery drive, saving critical data to an external or cloud storage location. Controlling Windows 10's automatic repair feature empowers you to choose between easy, automated fixes, or more advanced recovery methods depending on your needs and technical comfort. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable automatic repair in Windows 10, linked in the description below.